L Tyrosine is an essential amino acid with a wide range of clinical benefits. It is the precursor to norepinephrine and dopamine, two neurotransmitters with a wide variety of functions in the human body. The most prominent function for both neurotransmitters regarding mood and cognition. In addition, L Tyrosine has been shown to have neuroprotective effects on the brain, especially areas that are highly active. L Tyrosine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning the body can create it using another amino acid called phenylalanine. Synthesizing L Tyrosine from phenylalanine requires vitamin C, which acts as a catalyst in this reaction. Phenylalanine, the amino acid used to create L Tyrosine, can be found in many types of protein-rich foods. The following is a list of the functions that L Tyrosine carries out in the body. Neurotransmitter precursor, stimulates norepinephrine and dopamine production. Neuroprotective agent for brain areas requiring high neurotransmitter levels, such as the basal ganglia and the hippocampus. Treating stress-induced depression, increasing alertness and reducing mental fatigue, enhancing memory, learning speed, and general cognitive function. L Tyrosine has been studied successfully in treating ADHD. L Tyrosine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning it is not required in the diet. However, people who are stressed or have mental disorders may benefit from supplementing with L Tyrosine due to the fact that it increases neurotransmitter production. To get more L Tyrosine in your diet naturally, you can eat cheese, eggs, almonds, fish, chicken, legumes, and other protein-rich foods. L Tyrosine also has a regulatory effect on thyroid hormones. It is converted to L-DOPA by the enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase, which then converts into dopamine and norepinephrine. In addition, it can be converted to epinephrine, or adrenaline, another hormone that has a variety of functions in the body. One study found that taking L Tyrosine supplementation restored epinephrine levels in participants who were sleep deprived for 24 hours, or took part in a multi-day project requiring high amounts of mental focus and stamina. In this same study, it was also discovered that L Tyrosine supplementation restored epinephrine levels in participants who were experiencing stress because of their jobs. Like other neurotransmitters, L-DOPA, the precursor to dopamine and norepinephrine, can affect mood and cognitive function. In this study, researchers found that L Tyrosine supplementation improved memory acquisition and retention. They also found that it reduced memory retrieval time, which is beneficial for high-stress situations. L Tyrosine supplements are not only used by people who are experiencing stress or cognitive decline. This amino acid can be useful for anyone looking to enhance their mood and cognition. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that taking L Tyrosine supplements led to an improvement in mood, particularly for women who were experiencing low mental energy. A randomized, double-blind study was conducted to determine the effects of L Tyrosine supplementation on depressive symptoms and cognitive function. The participants were evaluated before and after the supplementation period using a clinical interview and a battery of neurobehavioral tests. It was found that participants who were administered L Tyrosine supplements had lower scores on the profile of mood states, POMS, which are used to measure mood disturbances in psychiatric populations, than those in the placebo group. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition attempted to find a connection between L Tyrosine intake and cognitive performance in healthy individuals. The researchers found that participants who were administered the supplement showed better concentration, especially under stress, than those who took placebos. Another study published in Nutrition noted that participants who consumed dairy foods within 1 hour of completing exercise had higher blood levels of L Tyrosine than those who did not. It was also noted that participants with higher blood levels of L Tyrosine maintained their emotional stability during the physical challenge, while those in the placebo group experienced a decline in mood. A meta-analysis of 20 separate studies published in Phytotherapy Research looked into whether there were any benefits to taking L Tyrosine supplements for improving cognitive function. They found that, overall, the supplement had a significant effect on cognition. It also influenced memory acquisition and retention in healthy individuals. Another study published in Phytotherapy Research noted that L Tyrosine supplementation improved performance during tasks requiring high amounts of focus and concentration. In this same study, it was also found that the supplement reduced mental fatigue following a mentally stimulating task. It is important to note that there are some potential side effects associated with L Tyrosine supplementation. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, supplements have been shown to lower blood pressure and cause headaches to some users. It is also reported that supplements have been associated with increased blood pressure when taken by people already suffering from hypertension. L Tyrosine has been shown to help improve stress, mood, memory acquisition and retention, concentration, and cognition. This amino acid can be found in many kinds of protein, such as fish and dairy products. It can also be found in some energy drinks. Comments? Questions? Qualms? Quibbles? Have at it, folks. We love hearing from you. Leave a comment below. Let's get this conversation started. Y'all.